Welcome to your daily morning yoga. Stand tall, feel the ground beneath your feet, and begin to breathe slowly. Inhale deeply through your nose, and exhale gently through your mouth. Allow your shoulders to relax. Let go of tension from your neck and jaw. Stand tall with a long spine, feeling calm and steady. This practice will help you start your day with clarity and peace. Breathe naturally and gently awaken your body. Let go of any stress from the night. Enjoy this peaceful morning moment. Inhale calm energy. Return to neutral standing pose. Exhale and prepare for gentle movement. Slowly tilt your head to the right, breathing deeply. Good. Switch sides and soften your neck. Release tension from the back of your neck. Head gently tilted back. Open your chest and breathe in. Roll your shoulders forward slowly. Roll them back, creating space. Stretch across the chest with ease. Relax your arms and breathe. Notice how your body feels. Stay calm and centered. Inhale, reach your arms overhead. Lengthen through your fingertips. Exhale, fold forward with control. Let your head relax. Inhale, lift halfway with a flat back. Step back into plank, strong and steady. Engage your core. Lower gently with your breath. Inhale, lift your chest. Open your heart. Exhale, lift into downward dog. Stretch your spine. Breathe deeply here. Step forward into a gentle lunge. Sink into your hips. Inhale, lift your arms. Exhale, fold again. Inhale, lengthen.
Mountain pose. Return to standing.
One full round complete.
Shift weight and find your balance. Focus on a steady point.
Breathe calmly. Warrior I. Step back into Warrior One. Feel strength and stability. Open your arms wide. Gaze softly forward. Stay grounded. Lift and stretch gently. Extend into triangle pose. Lengthen your spine.
Deepen the stretch.
Move slowly and mindfully. Release tension downward. Stand tall again. Lower down and sit comfortably. Inhale through the nose.
Fold gently forward.
Open your hips softly. Stay relaxed. Inhale, arch your spine. Flow with your breath. You rest your body. Let go completely.
Switch sides slowly. Knees to chest. Hug your knees in.
Relax and smile. Massage your spine. Lie flat and rest. Close your eyes. Let your breath be natural. Palms open. Release all effort.
Feel peaceful and calm.
Enjoy this moment. Inhale calm
Exhale stress. Gently bring movement back.
Thank yourself for this practice. Carry this calm energy into your day.